ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। इन अद्वैत सिद्धि पेज नंबर 317। सिद्धांती is explaining Purvapakshi that there is no tattvic sambandha between abhava and its pratyogi, and there is no adhyasa also between the two, between the pratyogi and its abhava, pradvansa bhava, etc. Why? Ubhayorapi mithyatvat, because both of them are mithya. For adhyasa, you need to have at least one satyam. But we don't say that there is no sambandha. This sambandha is not absolutely real. And it is not non-existent. But it is mithya. Up to that we saw. Further, fourth line. Such a sanyogadivat अतिरिक्तो वा स्वरूपं वा परांगीकृत पदार्थांतर्गतो वा तद अतिरिक्तो वा इत्यस्यां काकदंत परीक्षायां न नो निर्बंधः। सच संयोगादिवत, that sambandha between abhava and pratyogi is either संयोग संबंध संयोगादिवत अतिरिक्त वा और सम अदर संबंध अतिरिक्त अन्य और स्वरूप संबंध स्वरूपम वा परांगीकृत पदार्थांतर्गतो वा परैः अंगीकृत पदार्थाः परैः नैयायिकैः। Nayayika, how many padarthas they have accepted? 7. Sapta padartha. Huh? Among them, it is one of them. That is samavaya. Parangikrita padartha antargataha. It is one of them. Or tadar atiriktova, or it is different from them. Iti asyam kakadanta parikshayam na no nirbandha. Siddhanti says all this is kakadanta pariksha. काकदंत परीक्षा इज प्रयोजन शून्य विचार है. This is called Kakadanta Pariksha. There is no purpose. A lot of inquiry is going on, but it is not going to result in anything. No nirbandha. Naha asmakam nirbandha na. We don't have any insistence whether this sambandha is sanyoga sambandha, swarupa sambandha, some atirikta sambandha, or samavaya sambandha, which is one of the seven padarthas, or some other sambandha, atirikta. Why? Because it is mithya. Whatever that sambandha is. It is not tatvika, that's all. न च मिथ्यात्व सिद्धेः प्राक् तद सिद्ध्या अन्योन्याश्रयः. Purva Pakshi will say, it is not mithya siddha yet. Mithyatva siddhe prak, before it is proved that it is mithya sambandha, its mithyatva is not siddha. So first what will be proved? Sambandha or its mithyatva, and this point I mentioned in Atma Bodha also recently. Because it is drishya, therefore it is mithya, or because it is mithya and therefore there is adhyastatvam of drishya in drashta, or here how it is put, anyanya ashraya. If prapancha is mithya, then sambandha is mithya, or is sambandha mithya, therefore prapancha is mithya. This is the anyanya ashraya, mutual dependence. So Siddhanti says, iti na, this is not true. दृग्दृश्य संबंधानुपपत्या ज्ञेय मात्रस्य आध्यासिकत्वे सिद्धे तन्मध्यपतितस्य प्रतियोगी अभावादि संबंधस्यापि मिथ्यात्वम्. दृग्दृश्य संबंध अनुपपत्या, between drashta and drishya, sambandha anupapatti is there. There is no possibility of any sambandha between drashta and drishya. Sambandha anupapatya ज्ञेय मात्रस्य आध्यासिकत्वे सिद्धे. ज्ञेय मात्र is अध्यास. ज्ञेय मात्रस्य आध्यासिकत्वे सिद्धे तन्मध्यपतितस्य प्रतियोगी अभावादि संबंधस्यापि मिथ्यात्वम्. Tanmadhyapatita means that which falls in the same category. What is that category? Jneyatvam. Tanmadhyapatitasya pratiyogi abhavadi sambandhasyapi. So this sambandha is pratiyogi and abhava, between abhava and pratiyogi, ghata abhava and ghata. Sambandha between ghata abhava and ghata, whether it is ghata praga bhava and ghata dvansa bhava and ghata, which are not in saman desha kala. प्रतियोगी अभावादि संबंधस्यापि मिथ्यात्वम्. न तु प्रतियोगी अभावादि संबंध मिथ्यात्व सिद्धि अनंतरम दृश्य मिथ्यात्व सिद्धि ही इति. So Siddhanti says first we use the दृश्यत्व हेतु. व्यावहारिक प्रपंचो मिथ्या दृश्यत्वात्, स्वप्न प्रपंचवत्. then yatra yatra drishyatvam tatra tatra mithyatvam. This sambandha between abhava and its pratyogi is also drishya, jnaya, jnayatvat mithya. That is, this line says, drigdrishya sambandha anupapatya. Between drashta and drashya, no other sambandha is possible. And jnaya matrasya adhyasikatva siddhe. Jnaya matra is adhyasika, means is mithya. When that is siddham, tan madhya patitasya pratyogi abhavadi sambandhasya api. Then this pratyogi abhava sambandha is also tan madhya patita, means it is also jnaya. Jnayatvat tasya mithyatvam. न तो प्रतियोगी अभावादि संबंध मिथ्यात्व सिद्धि अनंतरम, not that first प्रतियोगी अभावादि संबंध is proved as मिथ्या, then दृश्य मिथ्यात्व सिद्धि. First दृश्य मिथ्यात्व सिद्धि, then प्रतियोगी अभावादि संबंध मिथ्यात्व, because it is also दृश्य. Or you say all drishyas are mithya together. This sambandha is also drishya. Therefore, when we say all drishyas are mithya, this is also mithya. इति व्यवहारोपयुक्त संबंध सामान्यस्य अप्रतिक्षेपात् न स्ववचनादि विरोधः. व्यवहार उपयुक्त संबंध सामान्यस्य अप्रतिक्षेपात्. That which is useful for vyavahara, associated with vyavahara, vyavahara upayukta sambandha samanya, any samanya sambandha that is accepted, not tatvika. Sambandha samanyasya apratikshepat. In that, we don't have any objection. Pratikshepa means virodha. Apratikshepat means avirodha. We don't have any virodha to accept that sambandha as some vyavaharik sambandha. And therefore, na swavachanadi virodha. So it was Purvapakshi had said there is swavachana and swanyaya and one more. So Siddhanti says there is no virodha. Swanyaya, swakriya, swavachana virodha. So Siddhanti says no. There are no such virodha. Now Khandankar's quotation is given. Taduktam. Khandan kridbihi. Khandankar says, Badhe adridhenya samyat kim. Dridhe tadapi badhyatam. Ko mamatvam mumukshunam anirvachanavadinam iti. The second line is very prasiddha. Mumukshunam ko mamatvam. For a mumukshu, there should not be any I and mine, or at least mine. And in particular, if that mumukshu is Advaitin, is Anirvachanavadi, means who says Jagat is mithya. If Jagat is mithya, what is mine? Ko means kutra. Mumukshunam anirvachanavadinam mamatvam kwa. So we should always remember, if anything is taken away from me, it was never mine to begin with. Now the first line, simple meaning I will tell you, then we'll analyze more. So the Anushtup is like this, Bade Adride Anya Samyat, up to that. But the Vakya is Samyat Kim, up to that is the Vakya. If the Bad hai, In Anumanam, there is Badha. If somebody does an Anumanam, Vanni Anushnam Dravyatvat Jalavat. This Anumanam will be Badhitam by Pratyaksha Pramanam. So there is a Badha. Here, Khandankar says, Badhe Adridhe. If Badha itself is weak, then Anya Samyat Kim? Then Anya Samyat means that this Sambandha is similar to some other Sambandha. Abhav and Pratyogi Adi Sambandha. What is the use of proving all those things? Badha itself is Adridha. Badhe Adridhe Anya Samyat Kim. Dridhe api. And if Badha is Dridha, then that Badha itself will become Badhita. Tadapi Badhyatam. Now we'll analyze this a little more. So for Badha, this Vyapaka Anupalabdhi, earlier we had seen this in the last session. Vyapaka Anupalabdhi is the Badha. In other words, the Anukula Tarka in any argument is defective of the Vyapyatva, etc. or Vyapti. So the Anukula Tarka is only Abhasa Matra. Like this, I gave you the example, Prasiddha example, that Vanni Anushna, Dravyatva, is Abhasa Matra. So if, let's say, this Anumanam is done, Jnana Jneye, this is Paksha, Tatvika Sambandha Yuktaha, means between Jnanam and Jneyam there is Tatvika Sambandha. Purva Pakshi will do such Anumanam. Why? Vishishta Prama Vishayatvat. Because it produces some Vishishta Prama like Pratyogi Abhavadivat, like Pratyogi and Abhava. So this kind of Satpratipaksha or any Badha that is done is of no use, Siddhanta is saying. Why? Because he says, if the Vyapti of this Tarka itself is weak, Adridha, then using such weaker Vyapti, Shithila, Mula Shaithilya, if it is there, then with that, you cannot have any other Samya. Because Badhe, that is his Vakya, Badhe Adridhe Anya Samyat Kim. So whatever Siddhanti is suggesting, if that is Bhada Abhasa, to know the Bhada of Siddhanti's Vakya, if it is Bhada Abhasa, then because it is Abhasa, it cannot do anything. And if the Vyapti presented by Siddhanti, in that Bhada is Dridha, means whatever Bhada here Siddhanti is doing, if it is Dridha, in other words, Purvapakshi does not have any argument to show defect in that. Then there is no need of any Samya to show. On the other hand, this Deshakala Viprakarsha, which is the Prayojaka, it will prove that there is Tatvik Sambandha Abhava. This was Siddhanti's Vyapti. Yatra yatra Deshakala Viprakarsha, tatra tatra Tatvik Sambandha Abhava. Yatra yatra Deshakala Viprakarsha Abhava, tatra tatra Tatvik Sambandha. So Purvapakshi cannot show any defect. There is no Sat Pratipaksha Anumanam. And Siddhanti's Vyapti will do Badha of Purvapaksha. And this Sambandha that we have accepted between Pratyogi and Abhava, like Ghata and Ghata Abhava, so there is no problem. There is also Gneya, Gneyatvat, Mithya. So those who are constantly dwelling on Brahma Vichara, on Brahma, for them, Kva Mamatvam. This is the suggestion by Acharya. Then we should never cry for anything. This is what Nanu Shochanti Panditaha. There is no reason to cry over anything, complain over anything. Further, न च अदृढ़त्वं बाधस्य और न्यायस्य व्यापक अनुपलब्धि रूप तर्कस्य उक्तत्वात् स्वक्रियादि विरोध रूप प्रतिकूल तर्कस्य परिहृतत्वाच्च. बाधस्य अदृढ़त्वं, यदि Badha is Nyaya here, because Nyayamritakar has used that word, Nyaya. Therefore, he says Nyaya. Badhasya adridatvam na. Siddhanti says Badha is not adrida. That Jagat Mithyatva is dridha. Why? Vyapaka anupalabdhi rupa tarkasya uktatvat. Vyapaka anupalabdhi, we saw this in the last session. Yatra yatra deshakala viprakarsha abhava. Its Vyapaka is
तात्विक संबंधः.
तात्विक संबंध. So व्यापक अनुपलब्धि means तात्विक संबंध अभाव. This kind of tarka we have already shown, and this was samavyapti. We saw that last time. Not only that, swakriyadi virodha rupa pratikula tarkasya parihritatvat. Swakriya, swavachana इत्यादि, there is no virodha. अतएव न जातिवादी साम्यम. This is not a jati uttara. न जातिवादी साम्यम. तेन ही नियम सापेक्ष अनित्यत्व साधक कृतकत्वादौ नियमान अपेक्षेण दर्शन मात्रेण रूपवत्वादिकम आपाद्यते. This jati uttara, what is that? I'll tell you.
Swamiji, is it niyama anapekshena or niyama?
Niyama anapekshena. Let me see. Siddhanti says, if Badha is Dridha and Samanya Vyavaharik Sambandha we have not refuted, we have accepted. So Badha is Dridha and Samanya Vyavaharik Sambandha is accepted. Therefore, our Uttara is not Jati Uttara or Asad Uttara. Between Jnanam and Jnaya, there is no Tatvik Sambandha. Tatvik Sambandhasya Vyapaka Anupalabdhya Badat. Siddhanti had said. So on that, Purvapakshi says this is Jati Uttara. Jati Uttara means is Asad Uttara. Your answer is Asad. So Siddhanti says, Siddhanti is now explaining what that Asad Uttara is. If somebody says Shabdo Anityah Kritakatvat Ghatavat, Shabdo Anityah Kritakatvat Ghatavat. So, according to Nayayika, this is the Vyapti. Yatra yatra Kritakatvam, tatra tatra Anityatvam. So this Kritakatva Hetu is there to prove Anityatvam. Jati Uttarvadi, what they will say, that, so this Anumanam is clear. Shabdo Anitya Kritakatvat Ghatavat. Jati Uttarvadi, how they will say, if Shabda is similar to Ghata, because Shabda is Paksha, Ghata is Drishtanta. If Shabda is similar to Ghata, so what Purvapakshi is saying, Ghata has Rupa, so Shabda also will have Rupa. Shabda will be Rupadiman. Why? Ghata Sadharmyat. Because Shabda has similar dharma as Ghata. So if kritakatva is there in ghata, you say it is there in shabda. You say rupatva is there in ghata, it will also be there in shabda. So this is the jati uttara by Purvapaksha. Shabdo rupavan kritakatvat ghatavat. Now if somebody gives such vyapti that yatra yatra kritakatvam tatra tatra rupavatvam is not true. So we are not using such argument. We are clearly saying that तात्विक संबंध अभाव. So this niyama अनपेक्षण. Niyama anapekshena. That's how you have to read that. So, like how the Asaduttara Jativadi, how they will do, like that we are not doing. तेन ही नियम सापेक्ष अनित्यत्व साधक कृतकत्वादौ नियम अनपेक्षेण दर्शन मात्रेण रूपवत्वादिकम आपाद्यते. सी दर्शन मात्रेण रूप रूपवत्वम, that shabda also can have rupam. Why? Because it is there in ghata. But we are not doing like that. Natu asmabhihi tatha niyama nirapekshena साहचर्य मात्रेण किंचिद आपाद्यते. नियम निरपेक्ष, we are not proving some such thing. न च एवं ज्ञान ज्ञेयोरपि प्रतियोगी अभावादि समकक्ष्य एव संबंधो अस्तु इति वाच्यम. ज्ञान ज्ञेयोरपि प्रतियोगी अभावादि समकक्ष्य. समकक्ष्य एव संबंधो अस्तु इति न च वाच्यम. Between jnanam and jnaya. Jnanam, you take jnanam as satyam jnanam anantam, Brahma. And jnaya as any object which becomes known. Sakshi bhasya. Either directly or through parampara. Pratyogi abhavadi samakakshya. Pratyogi abhavadi sambandha and jnana jnaya sambandha should be similar, Purvapakshi says. Why do you say jnana jnaya sambandha is adhyasa? And why do you say pratyogi abhavadi sambandha is some other sambandha which is vyavaharika? Samakaksheva sambandho astu iti na cha vachyam. Paraspara adhyasatmaka sambandha asambhave naiva sambandhantar kalpanat. Paraspara adhyasatmaka sambandha asambhavena. If between two things paraspara adhyasatmaka sambandha is not possible, then sambandhantar kalpana we do. Between jnana and jnaya, adhyasa is possible because one is satya, another is mithya. This is why I said Jnanam we should take as Brahma. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Then one is Satyam, Drishya is Mithya, Sambandha is Adhyasika. Between Pratyogi and Abhavadi, both are Mithya, both are Drishya. So you don't need Adhyasika Sambandha, you cannot have Adhyasika Sambandha. Tat Sambhave Tasyeva Sambandhatvat. If Adhyasika Sambandha is possible, then that alone is the Sambandha. न च अज्ञान विषयस्य ब्रह्मणो विषयिणी अज्ञानेन अज्ञाने अनध्यासेन विषयस्य विषयिणी अध्यास नियमो न न च वाच्यम. Siddhanti says अज्ञान विषयस्य ब्रह्मण. पूर्व पक्षी's argument is beautiful. Purva Pakshi says, you are saying between Jnanam and Jnayam, there is Adhyasa. Ajnana, Mula Jnanam. Its Vishaya is Brahma, because Ajnanam is about Brahma. So Ajnana Vishayasya Brahmana. Brahma will be Vishaya and Ajnanam will be Vishayi. So Vishayini Ajnane Brahmano Vishayasya Anadhyasena. In Vishayi, there is no Vishaya Adhyasa, because you, Vedanti, will say, in Brahma everything is Adhyasta. So the question is, in Brahma Ajnanam is Adhyasta, or in Ajnanam Brahma is Adhyasta? Ajnana Vishayasya Brahmana Vishayini Ajnane Anadhyasena. Brahma is not Adhyasta in Ajnanam. Adhyasena Vishayasya Vishayini Adhyasa Niyamo na Siddha. So there is no such niyama that in Vishaya, in Vishayi, Vishaya is Adhyasta. Vishayini Vishayasya Adhyasa Niyamo na Siddha, Purvapakshi says. Siddhanti says iti nacha vachyam, because evam niyama anabhyupagamat. We have never said that Adhyasa is only of Vishaya in Vishayi. We say it is Vishaya Vishayinoho. Vishaya is Adhyasta in Vishayini, in Vishayi, and Vishayi is Adhyasta in Vishaya. Like that, it is given in Adhyasa Bhashya. Vishayini Chidatmake. Yushmat Asmat Pratyaya Gocharasya Vishayini Chidatmake. Asmat Pratyaya Gochare Vishayini Chidatmake. Yushmat Pratyaya Gocharasya Vishayasya. And in Yushmat Pratyaya Gochare Vishaya. Vishaya se adhyasa, Vishayinaha adhyasa, both are there. This is how in Adhyasa Bhashya we have said. Vishay Vishayinoho adhyasa. Siddhanti has made it clear. Kintu jnana jnanayor adhyasa eva Vishayana sambandha. ज्ञान अज्ञानयोः अध्यास एव विषयेण संबंधः। ज्ञान एंड अज्ञान, ज्ञान अज्ञानयोः अध्यास। So here jnanam or ajnanam, either of them, jnanam will have adhyasa with its vishaya. Ajnanam will have adhyasa with its vishaya, whatever that vishaya is. So mula jnanam, vishaya is Brahma, there Brahma will be vishaya, ajnanam will be vishayi. Between jnanam and jnaya, Brahma, Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam will be vishayi. And Jagat or Ahankar will become Vishaya. So Vishayana Sambandha. In other words, he puts that in the next line. Sacha Jnane Jneyasya Agnyeye cha Ajnanasya Adhyasad Upapadyate. Jnane Jneyasya. What is Jnanam here?
Brahma.
And Jneya will be Ahankara, Jagat, whatever. So in Jnanam, Jneya se Adhyasa. In Brahma, Jagat is Adhyasa. And Agneye cha Ajnanasya Adhyasa. And Agneya,
Also Brahma, not knowing the Brahma.
Brahmanaha Ajnanam. So Agneye cha Ajnanasya. Mula Jnanam will become Adhyasta there. And if you take Agneya as Ghata Patadi, so then how you will have to explain? It is not Ghata which is Agneya. It is Ghatavachinna Chaitanya which is Agneya. In that, Ajnanam is Adhyasta. Therefore, I say, Ghatam aham na janami. So, you can put it in both ways with Mula Jnanam and Tula Jnanam. Ajnanasya Adhyasad, Mula Jnanam, if you take, it is in Ajnata Brahma. If you take Tula Jnanam, then it will be
Avachinna Chaitanya.
Tadavachinna, whatever Vishayavachinna Chaitanya. In other words, in both cases, in Chaitanya, अन्य पदार्थ जड़ is अध्यस्त उपपद्यते। अतएव आध्यासिक संबंध व्यतिरेक प्रदर्शने अज्ञानस्य अज्ञेयेन इति अज्ञेयेन इति अनुदाहरणम। देयरफॉर टू शो आध्यात्मिक संबंध व्यतिरेक प्रदर्शने अज्ञानस्य अज्ञेयेन इति अनुदाहरणम। दिस उदाहरणम विल नॉट बी ट्रू। So that Purvapakshi had given this udaharana, if you see on previous page, 318, अज्ञान विषय से ब्रह्मणो विषयणी अज्ञाने अनध्यासेन. This niyama, the Siddhanti says that udaharanam is not appropriate because in our case, ajnanasya agnyena adhyasika sambandha is still there. It is not where the abhava. Adhyasika sambandha, abhava is not there. Is this clear, this point? See, Purvapakshi's vakya is this sentence that is given here. अतएव आध्यासिक संबंध व्यतिरेक मीन्स आध्यासिक संबंध अभाव. Purvapakshi said there is no adhyasika sambandha between ajnana and agniya. Siddhanti says that cannot be your drishtanta because between ajnana and agniya, adhyasika sambandha is there. Why Purvapakshi said there is no adhyasa sambandha between ajnana and agniya? Because Purvapakshi was saying that this niyama is Vishayasya Vishayini Adhyasa. This is Purvapakshi thought. This is the only way Adhyasa should happen. In Vishayi, Vishaya should be Adhyasta. But Siddhanti said no. We have Anyonya Adhyasa. One in the other. In Vishayi, Vishaya can be Adhyasta. In Vishaya, Vishayi is Adhyasta. But then somebody may ask, so this point I hope is clear. So therefore that will not be Drishtanta. But somebody may ask, then there is, both are Adhyasta, then it is Shunyavada. What is the answer?
One way is Swarupadhyasa, other is Samsargadhyasa.
No. One is Swarupadhyasa, another is Swarupa and Sansargadhyasa. Right?
Yes.
Means one is Sansargadhyasa only, another is Swarupa and Sansarga in this way. Anatma Swarupa is also Adhyasta, Sansarga is also Adhyasta. But for Atma, only Sansarga is Adhyasta. Therefore, it is not Shunyavadapatti. Further, Nanu, now Purvapakshi says, the Shravanadi, Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam, and Charama Sakshatkara. Shravanadinam, Charama Sakshatkarantanam, Swavishayena Brahmana Sambandha Anupapattihi. He says Shravanam and its Vishaya is Brahma. Shravanam is Jnanam. When we say I am doing Shravanam means a Vishesha Jnanam should take place. Whether it is Nadyas Tire Panchaphalani Santi or Tattvamasi, Shravanam will produce Jnanam. Up to Charama Sakshatkara, Swavishayena Brahmana Sambandha Anupapattihi. So it's Vishaya Brahma. Purvapakshi says Shravanam and Brahma there is no sambandha. Why? Nahi Shravanadau Sakshatkareva Brahma Adhyastam iti. Shravanadau Sakshatkareva. In Shravanadi or in Sakshatkara, Brahma is not Adhyastam, Purvapakshi is saying. Shravanadi is Jnanam. Brahma is Vishaya. In Jnanam, Vishaya is Adhyasta, Siddhanti said. Purvapakshi said, in Shravana Jnanam, Brahma is not Adhyasta. Iti chet. Siddhanti is asking, what do you mean by Shravanadi or Sakshatkara? साक्षात्कारो ही वृत्तिर वा तद अभिव्यक्त चैतन्यम वा. If you say साक्षात्कार is वृत्ति, then आद्य तस्याः ब्रह्मणि अध्यस्तत्वेन अज्ञान अज्ञेयोरिव संबंध उपपत्तेः. If it is vritti, then that vritti is adhyastha in Brahma, Brahmani adhyastatvena. Ajnana agneyoho. Ajnanam and Brahma is agneya. So that sambandha is possible. If you take, because any jnanam at the level of antakarana will have two components, vritti and chaitanya. बोधेद्धा वृत्ति ही वृत्तिद्ध बोधः. So if you take vritti aspect, it is adhyastha. If you take chaitanya aspect, it is one with Brahma. So there is only one. There is no question of sambandha. अतएव श्रवणादिनामपि मानसक्रियारूपेण न संबंध अनुपपत्तिः. If you take it Shravana as vritti, then vritti is like manasakriya. Manasakriya means upasana. Manasakriya na sambandha anupapattihi. Then there is no sambandha anupapatti. Adhyasika sambandha is there. And if you take अभिव्यक्त चैतन्य, वृत्ति अभिव्यक्त चैतन्यम as ज्ञानम, द्वितीय तु अभेदेन तत्संबंध अनुपयोगात्. There is both are chaitanya, there is abheda. Abhedatvat, there is no need of sambandha, sambandha anupayogat. Tat sambandha anupapattir na doshaya. So that sambandha anupapatti is not a defect. Why? In one there is no sambandha possible anyway. अतएव चरम साक्षात्कारस्य ब्रह्मणि अध्यस्तत्वात्. Therefore, charma sakshatkara is also adhyastha, means brahmakar vritti. Charma sakshatkar is the brahmakar vritti culmination, after which I don't give any reality to Jagat or Dvaita Prapancha. Brahmani adhyastatvat यदि तद विषयत्वम तदा घट साक्षात्कारस्यापि ब्रह्मणि अध्यस्तत्वात् तद विषयत्वापत्ति ही. पूर्व पक्षी थिंकिंग इज चरम साक्षात्कार इज ब्रह्मणि अध्यस्त एंड देयरफॉर चरम साक्षात्कार विषय इज ब्रह्म. So Ghata Sakshatkara is also Adhyastha in Brahma. Therefore, Ghata Sakshatkara Vishaya also should be Brahma, not Ghata. Siddhanti says, Atayava Nirastam. For this Hetu, it is Nirastam. Why? Because it's a big portion now. We will have to see in the next session. From Ghata Sakshatkarasya onwards, 4 or 5 lines are there. We'll see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam सूत्रभाष्य कृतौ वंदे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।